This is a flow meter. It is used to measure the amount of water flowing in a system. The higher the pressure of water, the higher the readings in a flow meter. The flow of water is measured in liters per minute and gallons per minute in a flow meter. To replace a faulty flow meter, you first switch off the machine to prevent any damage, then disconnect the faulty flow meter by removing the screws and disconnecting the pipes connected to it. Replacing a faulty flow meter involves unscrewing the bolts of the old one and screwing the new one onto the machine. At this point, it is important to note that the machine should be shut off to avoid any damage. Once the flow meter is mounted onto the machine, you connect back the pipes leading to the flow in and out of the meter.